Hello there, my friends. Chris Marcus here with you for Arcadia Economics. And it's Tuesday, which means that the Fed has launched a new money printing program in response to the coronavirus. Here we find out Fed will help businesses get up to 1 trillion in funding in the short-term borrowing markets amid coronavirus. Translated, in a move anticipated on Wall Street, the bank announced a special credit facility to purchase corporate paper. Fed is now purchasing corporate bonds, which is, a little concerning. A Fed to establish a commercial paper funding facility in a move much anticipated on Wall Street. The bank announced a credit facility to purchase corporate paper from issuers that have been having a hard time finding buyers on the open market. Treasury Steve Mnuchin says that the program could reach 1 trillion, although he does not expect it to reach that. I wonder on what basis he has that expectation. Market did freeze during the financial crisis in 2008, and the Fed then was tasked with ways of finding to get operations flowing again. Kind of scary stuff because, again, by all means, it is unfortunate the way business is getting shut down, and yet, unfortunately, it seems that every solution offered by the White House or the Treasury or the Fed includes a lot of money printing, as does this one. Keep in mind, this is just 2 days after the Fed said Sunday it will implement another $700 billion in purchases of Treasury and mortgage-backed securities. And of course, that was just a few days after the Fed launched 1.5 trillion into the market. And keep in mind, the Fed has a meeting tomorrow. So again, I have mixed thoughts on the whole coronavirus thing. By no means am I a biologist or an expert. It does strike me as odd that the CDC reports that 56,000 people die each year of the flu, and so far 7,000 people have died of coronavirus. And so even if the death toll went up 8x by coronavirus, I mean, it's not like we shut down the globe for the flu, yet we've already done that for the coronavirus, and which again may well be the safe thing to do. If you have any comments or insight, let me know. I'm always trying to learn, yet it seems odd to me that things have been shut down when we're at an eighth of another similar thing that doesn't shut down the globe. And yet now that there's martial law, boy, you sure see that money flying out of there fast. And here goes another trillion. I think Trump was asking for an $850 billion stimulus package today. Where that comes from will be interesting to see. Actually, we know exactly where it's going to come from. It's going to come from the Fed or the ESF or some other agency that prints a lot. But to find out a little bit more about that one, just click to watch the next video that's coming your way. And thank you as always.